Hello, welcome to my channel. Firstly, I'd like to say a very big thank you for all my viewers who kept me on their thoughts and prayer. And also a very big thank you to all my family members and to my children that encouraged me and kept me brave for my op. And it all went well and I'm on my road to recovery. When Hazel has come to visit me, she gave me a lovely Madeira cake recipe. So today we're going to have a quick treat on the Madeira cake. Here's my ingredients. I have 2 cups of flour that I sieved, 1 cup of custard sugar. I am using 3 eggs because my eggs are slightly small, but if you have larger eggs, you can only use 2. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and a cup of milk, 125 grams of butter, and a zest of whole lemon. I've cut this lemon from my garden. Before I get started, I'm going to quickly switch my oven on to 175 to preheat. I'm going to start by creaming my butter and sugar and the eggs together. I'm going to crack my eggs into another bowl. This is 1. I will also zest my lemon into my butter and sugar. I'm also going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla essence to my egg and sugar. Using my electric mixer, I'm going to give this a quick whisk. This is done. To my flour, I'm going to add my 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Just give this a quick mix. I'm going to add my flour and baking powder to my butter mixture. I am going to quickly fold in my flour to my butter. This is folded in. Thereafter, I'm going to pour in a cup of milk to the mixture. I will quickly incorporate my milk to my batter. I will give my batter a quick mix so it's all smooth. Here I have a 30 centimeter loaf tray. I am using baking paper and I also use some spray and cook to line the tray. I'm going to pour in my batter into my baking tray. Now I am ready to pop my loaf tin into the oven to bake for 45 minutes. But if needed additional time, we will give it more time. "45 minutes has passed for my Madeira cake baking, and now it's done. I'm going to remove my cake from the oven. As you can see, it's done so beautiful, but you all had to adjust your oven accordingly. I will allow the cake to rest for 15 minutes in its tray and thereafter remove, and I am ready to serve. Here you go, your very well baked Madeira cake, which is soft and moist, as you can see, and this can go very well with some butter on it, or you can have it just as it is. And the lemon gives a heavenly fragrance to the cake as well. Thanks again for my favorite niece Hazel for this lovely recipe. We are going to enjoy this Madeira cake with a nice cup of tea. Thank you all for watching, and this is one simple recipe and it turned out to be baked very delicious. Give this cake a try and we'll catch you on the next video.